Kristen. I'm here with our volunteer Rita. We're out in the Louise Dimmick Garden here at Burnside Plantation. It's a gorgeous Saturday morning. We're loving the weather. This is rare. But I kind of noticed we have some rose bushes that are starting to bloom. I have rose bushes at home, and once my blooms go, I don't get them again. But Rita was telling me that you have to deadhead them?
Yes, you certainly do. And these are gorgeous. They're beautiful roses. They still have the scent. But if you want to deadhead them, and here you go, you got your good old Japanese beetle, who's always a culprit in any garden. So you just snap it off there, and here we got some really nice rose buds. They're healthy too. And so that's what's important to do. And it doesn't take time. You just take a little rose head off, take it off, and
I gotta say, this is probably going to be my favorite thing in the garden. I like when something looks bad and you cut it away and now it looks perfect again like that. I love that.
yeah.
Wonderful.
Yeah,
and then
pretty
that'll
simple.
just kind of continue on throughout the season.
Sure, yeah,
Great.
certainly, yeah. So, yeah, I'm so glad you guys came to visit the garden, because it is a
Absolutely.
gorgeous garden.
So, and you guys can come out and visit this anytime. This is open dawn to dusk. We encourage you to come out, learn from the gardeners. They're out here every Saturday morning starting at 9 and usually go till about noon. And if you want to help out with the gardeners and volunteer, you can visit our website at www.historicbethlehem.org and get in touch with us.